Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the top superfoods that can help you achieve optimal health. From fighting off disease to boosting energy levels, these superfoods pack a powerful punch when it comes to nourishing our bodies. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of different superfoods, how to include them in your diet, and some examples of recipes that you can try at home. Let's get started. First on our list are berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals, making them a great addition to any diet. Some of the best berries for your health include acai, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These berries are also rich in vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system and collagen production. One of the best ways to include berries in your diet is by adding them to your morning smoothie or yogurt. You can also make a berry compote by simmering mixed berries with a little sugar and lemon juice and serve it with your pancakes or waffles. Another delicious option is to make a mixed berry pie or crisp. Leafy greens are another superfood that should be a staple in any healthy diet. These nutrient-dense greens are packed with vitamins and minerals, including iron, calcium, and vitamin K. Some of the best leafy greens to include in your diet are spinach, kale, and broccoli. These greens can be enjoyed raw or cooked and make a great addition to salads, smoothies, and stir-fries. Leafy greens are also a great source of folate, which is essential for pregnant women and can help prevent birth defects. Spinach is also rich in lutein, which is good for maintaining healthy eyesight. You can saute spinach with garlic and olive oil as a side dish or add it to your omelette. Kale is a great ingredient to add to your smoothies, and broccoli can be steamed or roasted and served as a side dish. Nuts and seeds are another excellent source of healthy fats, protein, and minerals. They're also a great source of fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. Some of the best nuts and seeds for your health include almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining heart health. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids and are a good source of lignans, which have been linked to reducing the risk of breast cancer. Try adding a handful of mixed nuts to your morning oatmeal or yogurt, or enjoy as a healthy snack throughout the day. You can also make your own trail mix by mixing nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. Chia seed pudding is a delicious and healthy dessert option, and you can add flaxseed to your smoothies or bake them into your bread. Fish is another important superfood to include in your diet. Fish is a great source of lean protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential minerals like iodine and selenium. Some of the best fish for your health include salmon, tuna, and sardines. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and brain function. Tuna is a good source of lean protein and is rich in vitamin B12 and selenium. Sardines are a great source of calcium and vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining strong bones. To include fish in your diet, try grilling or baking salmon and serve it with a side of leafy greens or roasted vegetables. Tuna salad or tuna sandwich is a quick and easy lunch option. Sardines can also be enjoyed on crackers as a snack or added to pasta dishes. That concludes our video on the top superfoods for optimal health. Remember, incorporating a variety of these superfoods into your diet can help you achieve optimal health and boost your energy levels. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.